Welcome to our comparison of two popular ice makers, the Silonn ice maker and the EUHOMY ice maker. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one is the better choice for your needs. Both machines promise quick ice production, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's find out. When it comes to pricing, the Silonn ice maker is priced at $109, while the EUHOMY ice maker is more budget-friendly at $89. This price difference can be a significant factor for many consumers looking for a good deal on an ice maker. Both ice makers are capable of producing ice quickly, with the Silonn making 26 pounds of ice in a day and the EUHOMY slightly edging ahead at 26.5 pounds per day. This small difference may not be noticeable for casual users, but it could be a deciding factor for those who require a higher ice output. In terms of features, the Silonn ice maker offers two sizes of bullet ice and a self-cleaning function, making it versatile for different needs. On the other hand, the EUHOMY ice maker also includes a self-cleaning feature but adds portability with a carry handle, making it ideal for camping or outdoor use. In conclusion, both the Silonn and EUHOMY ice makers have their strengths. The Silonn offers versatility with two ice sizes, while the EUHOMY provides portability at a lower price. Depending on your specific needs, one may be a better fit for you than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.